And I just want to show also, whānau, how you can use the saline solution or the salt water mixture that you've made to clean sores in it. So it's a really good cleaner, as I said. So I'm just going to demonstrate on how you would use the saline solution that we made, exactly the same thing as the salt water gargle, to clean. So we just take clean cotton wool buds or cotton pads, clean rags or whatever you've got that's clean, really clean, to clean sores in that with. And you dip it into your saline solution, okay? And you take it and use that to clean wounds. All right, so every time you wipe, you'd put it in the rubbish, get another one, dip it again in the saline solution, and so you can use this beautiful salt water as a cleaner.